Welcome back to my channel, AnjelMae. For today's video, I'm going to do a yellow purple eyeshadow makeup look. So it's like this. So before that, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button on to be updated every time I upload a new video. To know how I do this makeup look, just keep on watching. I'll start with my eyebrow. I will be using my iMagic Pro E03 Medium Brown. Primer, gagamitin ko itong Models Prefer. First, I'm going to use my Beauty Glaze palette and I'm going to use this shade. Light orange shade, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid. Next, I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use the purple shade here. Then using my remover and a Q-tip, ika-cut crease ko siya. And then concealer plus brush para next, I'm going to use same palette, Beauty Glaze palette, and we'll use the yellow shade here. Waterproof eyeliner. I will be using my Paradise Ecstatic of L'Oreal. Next is sa face naman, gagamitin ko tong L'Oreal Infallible Matte Cover in the shades of 230. Next is concealer. I will be using my favorite L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shades of 322. Baking muna, gagamit ko itong Maybelline loose powder ko. Next is contour. Gagamitin ko itong AC Contour Palette. For my nose, gagamitin ko itong darkest color. Ito. And then for my cheeks and whole face, gagamitin ko naman tong next to darkest color. Itong shade na to. Splash on, I'm going to use my Intuit Sheer Shimmer Blast SP02 Rose Petal. For my highlighter, I will be using my Revolution Mermaid's Glow. Liner, I will be using my Australis lip liner and LAC matte lipstick. ayan, finish na ang aking makeup look. Aayusin ko lang itong buhok ko and I will be back for my final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking the like button, subscribe if you want more from my channel, and click the bell button on be notified every time I upload a new video. Hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!